Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened slightly higher at 10,666.09, while the Euronext 100 slipped 0.03% and Germany's DAX fell 1.14%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 25,818.69, and the S&P 500 was also down at 7,503.85 as investors reacted to escalating tensions in the Gulf and continue to assess the outlook for Federal Reserve policy. In company news, travel operator Jet2 reported record passenger growth, announced a new £250 million share buyback, and continued its expansion at London Gatwick. House builder Vistry warned that first-half earnings will be affected as it prioritises cash generation and reduces development risk as part of its strategic reset. Against sterling, the US dollar strengthened slightly, while the Swiss franc, euro, Japanese yen and Australian dollar all edged firmer. Bitcoin fell. In commodities, copper, gold, Brent crude and natural gas all moved higher, with oil supported by heightened geopolitical concerns in the Middle East. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.